Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to get and display input from a console in C#. First, go to Visual Studio and select Create a New Project. Look for the option that has the words Console App and make sure that has the C# logo. Then click Next. For a name, I'm just going to call it Get and Display Input. I'll leave the location and solution name the same as they are already and click Next. Since .NET 6 is the currently supported version as well as the latest version, I will just leave it as is and select Create. Now that the application has finished opening, let's just verify that it works as is. So let's click the Run button. You'll notice it has opened and run and displayed the text Hello World, just as we have specified in the code. Let's just delete the comment and let's create a new variable called input. And we're going to set this input variable to be equal to console.readLine. Basically what's going to happen here is it's going to read the line that we have typed into the console and it'll store the value of that into this variable called input. In order to use the value from the variable input, let's copy and paste it into the WriteLine method call. Now I will delete Hello World and replace it with input. When we go ahead and click Get and Display Input, or whatever you have named the project, you'll now see a console window and is not displaying any text. So let's type something. This is my input. Click Enter, and now you'll see that as displayed, this is my input, which is exactly what I typed into the console. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below.